You know what it is, baby. Back. He's back, and he's still black. He's still black. We went to the pool, and I'm upset. Got to the pool, nothing happened. You know why? The whole town likes this one pool. But we're gonna go to Chuckee, and he is going to ball out. Tell him how you're gonna ball out.
Spend all my money, all my cash.
On what?
What cash? Chuck E. Cheese.
It's a bad investment, bro. Why would you spend all your money at Chuck E. Cheese?
Bro, you're saving because you're gonna be homeless by the time you're like 15.
What do you want? A toy? What do you got your eye on?
Wait, do you guys have cash?
More credit cards. Tickets, I win prizes.
I'm supposed to get a whole Xbox from Chuck E.
Yo, dog. Prizes in 3, 4, 3, 2. Ooh.
Franchies, even Buster's in the city. I mean, in Rockland. When we went there, you could, if you have 100,000 tickets, you could either buy a Xbox or a PlayStation.
Ooh.
Maybe we should go to Rockland.
No.
What do you think?
We went there.
Yeah.
It's Dave and Buster. You could, if you have 100,000 tickets, it's either you could get an Xbox or a PlayStation 4.
Drop a comment below if we should go with Dave and Buster's. Until then, we're going to the next scene in 5, 4, 3, 2.
We out.
So we're back. You know what it is, baby. We're at Chuckee. Cheese.
You wanna help me look at the window to see if there's anything?
Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it up on Chuckee because they try to lock us out the pool, but we can't get locked out ever. They can't stop us.
Kids in there.
Yeah, what's up, my guy?
Let's return to the more my Chuck E. Cheese cards. You can get $20.
Wait. Why should I put more money on your card?
Yeah, call me up here about easy, dude.
Oh, you got bank.
Yeah.
Oh, you balling out?
Yeah.
Can I get a yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, I'm about to see if I can help him out. Comment below if you think I should help him out. Comment below. Yo, look, I told them they can only get 2 cards, right? 85 points a piece. We had Chuckee with it. Right? So I put him with his sister. He's not happy about it because I'm trying to teach him how to share. Keep his face. He's not happy.
Look, now play basketball. Oh my God, can I get one of your balls? Bro, you look over here. Cheese on.
How you doing, Lele? How you feel about your partner? She's not too happy. She's not really feeling it. She's not feeling her partner, but they're gonna learn to smash that like button because we're trying to spread unity across the globe, baby. Puppy?
Let's go.
Puppy? Puppy? You want something?
This game is broken.
What do you mean it's broken? How's it broken?
I got 2 tickets. That 1 ticket came out.
What? They robbing you, puppy?
That one.
You gonna have to get them. You gonna have to get that thing for him, puppy.
See, I'm in this card card.
All right, next again, puppy. Next, find something else. Where's the card at? Oh, go, boy. Steph Curry with the shot. Stop playing with that boy.
Why? Look at the score differential.
No, 9 tickets.
Yo, can I get a yaya?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, drip. Oh, Steph Curry. Don't play with that ball.
Take this. Oh my God.
That thing, puppy, play that thing. What you got? What you got, puppy? What you doing, puppy? Win that thing. Win. Focus, puppy. Focus on that, puppy. Win.
Please be.
Win, puppy. Did you win? Ah, come on, puppy.
Please be playing too.
Okay. You doubling up, boy? You doubling up? Let's go. Okay. How much you putting in? $100? Okay, gotta make $1 million out of that. Let's go, boy. Let's go, boy. Can I get a ya puppy? Can I get a ya puppy?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna try the trick I saw. Boy!
Look, Kiki, he won a ball.
Now I'm gonna
Oh, we got a winner. We got a winner. Let's see if we got another winner, pup. What you got? What you got, puppy? Tell me what you got. Take your time. Whoa!
Yes!
We got a second winner. Up in the building. Oh, let's see what he got. Let's see what he got. Let's see what he got.
You try to get the green one. Huh? You try to get the green one.
You've been doing this your
What
whole
do
life,
you
puppy.
mean?
You've been doing this at all the games we go. You always take your time, line it up, take your time, pick your color, go over a little bit.
Go
to the
over.
left.
Yeah.
Left a little bit.
I'm sure.
Okay, you got it. You got it, puppy. Ah!
Please.
Wait. Is he gonna do it?
Please.
Oh.
Please.
Oh, you got it. What? Let me see it come out. What? You got the blue ball, baby. Show it to me, puppy. This puppy hit it when I went. Oh, puppy! One more time, puppy. Like it's your enemy. Hit it like your enemy. Come on.
It has a 2 heart.
Hit the heart. Oh, puppy, you've been doing your push-ups, puppy.
I
Huh?
know how to do push-ups.
What you mean you don't know how to do push-ups? You don't watch YouTube? Hit it one more time. Bow, baby. I don't think is it. You need to put. She's like a real driver, bro. Oh, she hitting knobs on him. Skirt. What? Don't play with her. Don't play with her. Hit that $1,000. Hit that 1,000 ball. Hit that 1,000 ball. You got it. Keep going, puppy. Focus. Run it back. Maybe I run back a little bit. Oh. Okay. Get another one on him. Stop playing. Yes. Yo. Oh, he did?
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking. All right, keep going, puppy. You got this.
Go.
3, 2, 1.
Ah!
You trash, bro. You trash.
Now we're going big.
You trash, bro.
We're going big.
If they real or fake, I can't call that. Real nigga shit, I'm talking all facts. Try to take my chain, score crack. 40 on my side, nigga, fall back. I pull up in the Tesla, it was all black. I got the drip, got sauce, got all that. I got the drip, got sauce, got all that. I got the drip, got sauce, got all that. If they real or fake, I can't call that. Real nigga shit, I'm talking all facts. Try to take my chain, score crack. 40 on my side, nigga, fall back. Pull up in the Tesla, it was all black. I got the drip, got sauce, got all.
Playing with me, boy. Pharaoh, chef.
Dripping.
I can't.
10,000? Keep going, puppy. 1,000. Show me greatness.
No.
Oh, go. Here. You got this, puppy. Oh, one more. Keep going, puppy. 1,000. Okay, get the 2,000. Oh, that's it? You did good though, puppy. Secret move. Puppy. 1,000. You going up, baby. Get another 2,000. Oh, 1,000. You gotta hit 20 cows. 20,000, puppy. You got this. Keep going. Big. Greatness, puppy. Greatness. Oh, 1,000. Keep going. Get another 2,000. Get the 2,000 one. Slow. Yeah, you getting there. Keep it in the middle. Puppy. You got this. Okay, another 2,000. Get another 10. Get a 10,000. You focus? How you feel? Oh. Big Draco. Big Draco in the building.
What the heck?
Big Draco in the building.
What is
Big
that?
Draco. Big Draco in the building. Yeah. What?
What's your rolls? Okay,
Wait,
so
you can't throw
you
that.
guys have 50 left. 50? Collectively. Okay. Kiki, what else do you want? I was gonna say, so you only got
What else
one
do you
thing,
want?
and you only got one thing. So let's say each one of you picks either 2 things from the red or 1 thing from the yellow.
Can't get anything.
Nope, red and yellow at this point.
What about the unicorn, puppy?
There's a unicorn?
Yeah.
Look at it.
I'm joking.
So we have stickers, tattoos, bookmarks, spiders. Right there.
Make up your mind, puppy. You got this.
Right? Okay. Want those? Alright, that's you. Now, sweetheart, you can get 1 thing from the yellow bin or 2 things from the red. What are you thinking?
Spider.
You want 1 spider? And then what else would you like from the red bin?
Well, you doubling it up, puppy? You got something else?
2 spiders.
You want 2 of the same color, or would you like 1 of each color?
If they real or fake, I can't call.